Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make wholesale lip oils. This was actually for a customer, so I'll be showing you guys how I package my wholesale orders as well. Just stay tuned. I will be using some vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, as well as the polyisobutene for extra shine. I forgot to show the coconut oil, but I did use some. The customer wanted strawberry daiquiri flavoring, so that's what I'll be using, and it is from Get Sucker. This is my lip oil tube, as well as some glitter. These glitters can be found on my website, and some butterfly glitter, neon butterfly glitter. So now I'm just gonna be pouring my measurements into the little container and start mixing. These flavorings are really strong, but I usually apply 3 drops just so that I am satisfied and I can smell it outside the container, so I apply 3 drops. I will be using a 1/4 measuring spoon to add the glitters to the containers. I use the funnel to add the lip oils to the containers just so I don't have any spills or any messes, but I did end up having just a little bit because I wasn't careful enough. But these can be found on Amazon. Now I'm going to be adding the stoppers on the lip oil tubes as well as the tops. Now that I am done wiping off my lip oil tubes, I'm just going to be placing them into this little box. And I believe it's a 9 by 6 by 4. I'm not too sure. I will leave the information down below. I did get it from Amazon. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.